Hi, dear all. I am Dr. Sanjay Kumar Kakodia, and today we are going to draw some Visio diagram from the PowerPoint background. So, sometime what we require, we have some typical PowerPoint waveform, such as these kind of waveform. So, some people uses the MATLAB, but for sake of simplicity, I am going for Microsoft Visio diagrams. So, just make a new file. So I am making the new file. Okay, so you can put any name like PowerPoint. Okay, and just open it. Okay, so you can have a different category, but I will select the engineering base. So just select engineering and take this template. You can take the different template, but I select basic electrical because the PowerPoint we have some electrical electronics symbols, so I prefer this one. Okay, so I open this one. So this will open a new page. Okay, for reference, just take this waveform as it is. So actually we want to draw this waveform as it is. Okay, and we use it. These are the alternate nodes, simple no, we have drawn. So what I do right now, so we require some lines, axis we require actually na? So you can have some line. So this is my y-axis. Okay, so make y-axis length as per your requirement, or manually you can select, but I prefer to take no some typical lines. Okay, so you can make the line width as per your requirement. Okay, now go to the arrow. So you want arrow on the ending point, because I have taken this is my beginning point, so this is my ending point. Okay, so this is my end point, or I have taken this. Okay, okay, so you can change as per your requirement, beginning or ending point. Is small, you can have the large also. Okay, so this become your axis. Okay, so this is very large, so what I do right now, I have make the 100. Okay, or 150. Later you can do the manual also. Okay, so this is my y-axis. Now I require the different x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 axis I require. So you can copy or you can select new one. Okay, I copy. Okay, I have make 120 mm. Okay, again you can have arrow. So I copy, Control C, and I make 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you can, okay. So what you can do, again select the lines and click on this last and stretch to your as per your length. Okay, so now it is okay. You can again manually you can stretch as per your requirement. Now I need to draw this one, so I have a two option. I can draw with line option, or I can draw with this rectangular. So I will take this rectangular. So this rectangular, now I do manually. Okay, so this is my another rectangular, or what you can do, just select and this one and align top. Okay, so both become the aligned. Okay, so this is my, you can select this one also as it is, and this is my second reference. Okay, so this is my typical waveform. You can select the size. Currently I'm using 1.5 because mostly 1.5 is okay for PPT and other like Word file. So you can fill shaded or pattern. Currently to differentiate between two pulses I am using the different shade. So this is my pulse, you know, S1 S4, and this is my pulse. So I will change the color. So this is my pulse S2 S3. Likewise this is my pulse S5 S6, and this is my pulse, and you can have S1 and S4. Okay, so and fill some solid color. I prefer white one. You can put any color. Okay, so this become clearly visible S1 S4, and this is my S2 S3 S2 S3. Okay, so likewise S5 S8 S5 S8, and this is my S6 S7. Okay, so these are my pulses. The people from power background understand this is my pulses. Okay, this represent only pulse, nothing else. Okay, so if this is my S5 S8, this is S6 S7, so from this pattern will like continue. Okay, so this should be this should be this should be S6. Okay, this should be S6 and S7. So you can have, so you can mark, take a pencil and just mark this one. So this is, you can have the some arrow. So sometimes arrow is not understand, just okay. So just make sure, so arrow on the right direction. Okay, so this is my S6 and S7. Okay, now what I require, this no, time axis T1 T2 T3 T4. So what I do, take some lines again, and this is my S1. Okay, so make representative, so you can dotted line, so you can differentiate. Okay, so this is my gain, T1, this is T2. Okay, and this is my T3, and this is my, okay, this is my T1 T2 T3, and this is my TS. Okay, so you can align bottom, so this become, okay, this become more no, visible. Okay, so this is my primary pulses. So I can mention, I have mentioned the primary pulses in notes also. So just mention primary. Okay, so you can have the text size as per your requirement. So this is my primary. You can have some, okay, arrow also. So this become, this is my primary, this is my secondary. Okay, so this I simply put secondary. You can put simply PRI. Okay, so as per your convenience you can put. Now what is required, this is my, again it's a kind of waveform from some converter output. So how to draw this one? Just take this line, and while drawing this waveform, please remember that don't break the lines, otherwise it is difficult for filling some colors. Okay, so this is like, this is one way and this is one line. So suppose you take another line, so this become, suppose you take this line, so you are not able to join or you are not able to fill the colors, like this is my line and this is my second line. Okay, so if you join both the end and no, this is my first line and suppose this is my second line. Okay, my case. So some people what you do, they simply like make this one. Okay, so they do this one, but this is not no good idea. So just keep line. Okay, connected each other. So I have connected this one. Okay, and I have make, so okay, you can see this also. Suppose later you want to change, just select this line and change this point. So like this is the line. Okay, you want to change this point. Okay, so what you do, just click on this line, double click on this line and click on the end point. So this simply become move end point. Okay, so you can move anywhere. Okay, please. So when you know, exact position, you can have some degree also, you can put like 90 degrees, so it become directly. Okay, now suppose I change. Okay, so this is the isolated one. Okay, so this become complete waveform. So whenever you change a particular, so it will change completely. Okay, so you want to fill the color, you can change the color for more representative. So you can change the, okay, so you can just select and change as per your convenient. Okay, so this is my waveform and this is the output from something. So you can mention, you can write as per your notation. In my case, this is VAB. Okay, so this is subscript. So control. Okay, now this is the output from the another bridges or some another waveform. So what we do, so this is my output. Okay, so change and output from this point. Okay, and output from this. Okay. Used to prefer mouse, so you can easily make or control the waveform. Now you can have some different color. So I take blue one and this is my VCO. sorry, PCD. You can delete this one. This CD. You can have the capital also, no, small letter also. So make and always. Now you want to draw this current waveform. So how to draw? This is my some current. This is my some current. So take some reference. So this is my upper reference and this is my lower reference. Okay. So make you can have different size for your requirement. I prefer dotted line here for reference. Okay. Now what I do, I so this become my waveform, current waveform or as per required waveform. So you can fill different color. So I fill this color. Okay. Now I want to put time, different time. So just I'm copying, but you can directly take this one also. No? Text also. So this is my T1. This is my subscript, and this is my T2. This is my T3, and this is my TS. TS. Okay. So T1, T2, and this is my T5. Okay. So okay. So this is my this 0 to T1 space is my T5. To mention that T5, just I'm taking this particular notation. Okay. Just I'm drawing 12 control R you can use for rotating particular direction. So this become my simple T5. Now for using the phi you can use the symbol. This you can use the symbol. Okay. No, don't use this symbol. No. So this T followed by T5. Okay. This phi is my now select symbol. So phi you can have Q. Definitely you can have some. So, okay. So just what I do, I forget. Sorry. So what you can have symbol. Okay. So take one B C. Okay. F represent the 5. Okay. So you can have 5. Just copy that one. And so this is my T5. Okay. So likewise you can draw the Powertronics waveform using the Microsoft Visio option. Okay. So thank you. Later you can change the axis as per your. Okay. So what you can do, you can have you just make the 200 only. Okay. So these are the connected. Okay. So you cannot change. I think. Select. You cannot change. Oh, I'll make sure. Okay. So now I want to take on the picture. So you can save as a PNG. If I prefer PNG L5 one, whatever name you put, you can that one, and you can save as per directly. Okay, thank you.